What if I told you that AI can do everything for content creation? But with so many AI tools out there, which ones are actually worth using? We're building the ultimate AI toolkit for creators. Let's find out which AI tools truly deliver. Welcome to Red Moon Studio. I'm Madsam, Digital Art Director. Now, it's time to put them to the test and pick the amazing tools for a creator's ultimate AI toolkit. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which AI platforms are the most powerful for creators like you. The question is, which AI tool can give us the best results? Midjourney, master of details and cinematic style. Leonardo AI, great for fantasy and hyper-realistic art. Stable diffusion, fully customizable. Flibbo, a new tool we're testing today. Alright, here's the prompt we're going to use. A futuristic cyberpunk girl with neon tattoos sitting in a high-speed rally car, drifting through the dark rainy streets of Gotham City, neon reflections on wet asphalt, cinematic lighting, ultra-detailed 8K render, cyberpunk aesthetics. Now let's run this prompt through each platform and see how they visualize it. Here are our results. Let's take a closer look. Midjourney does an amazing job with lighting and details. Leonardo AI makes the image feel more realistic. Stable diffusion allows full customization, which is great. And Flibbo, well, it's a new tool, so let's see how it evolves. If I had to pick one for our next step, it would be this one. The colors, lighting, and cinematic feel are just perfect. To make this happen, we're testing some powerful AI video tools. Let's see which one works best. Runway ML, great for motion effects. Pika Labs, AI-powered cinematic animation. Kyber, good for animated and stylized visuals. LTX Studio, a new tool that generates entire video scenes. Flibbo, a new tool we're testing today. Before we start, we need to make sure our image is ready. Some tools work better with widescreen images, while others need extra details for motion effects. Now, let's animate this. We're using the same cyberpunk theme and asking the AI to add realistic movement. Here are our results. Let's break them down. Runway ML gives smooth movement, but it struggles with details. Pika Labs adds a really cool cinematic effect. Kyber's animation feels more like a stylized sequence. And LTX Studio, wow. Flibbo, this one looks like an actual movie shot. For our final project, I think this one works best. It has the most realistic motion and keeps that cinematic look. If you're enjoying this AI journey, make sure to like and subscribe. Alright, we have our AI-generated video, but something's missing. Without the right music, it won't feel complete. So today we're creating an epic soundtrack using AI. Suno, great for generating full songs. Boomy, quick and easy music creation. SoundRaw, good for custom editing. Mubert, generates unique AI music. Let's go with a drill rap beat mixed with a futuristic sci-fi feel. Now let's see what each AI comes up with.
Circuit boards hum, pulse beats through my chest. Surviving the code, cause the world ain't at rest. Electric breath, whisper secrets untold. Rebelling in the ether where the future unfolds.
Suno AI made a full song, which is great if we need vocals. Sound Raw gives us full control over different parts of the music. Creates unique, AI-generated beats in real time. Boomy is super fast but not very customizable. Now we have a moving scene, but something's missing. What's a great video without an epic soundtrack? In the next part, we'll create AI-generated music and sound effects to complete our cyberpunk scene. I think this track fits perfectly. Now let's add it to our video and do some final edits in Premiere Pro or CapCut. We've tested multiple AI tools for generating images, videos, and music. Now, it's time to wrap things up and decide which ones are the best for a creator's toolkit. If you want to generate creative images and then refine them in Photoshop, Flibbo is the best choice. If you want to create stunning AI-generated videos without animation skills, Flibbo, the way to go. Every powerful video needs a solid soundtrack. Suno is the fastest way to create original, high-quality music.
Strobe lights flicker, cyber tracks leave their mark. Dystopian skyline consumes the dark. Zeros and...
So for building professional AI-powered projects, these three tools are the best choices, and they're now in our creator's toolkit. Flibbo AI for image generation, Flibbo for turning images into videos, Suno AI for creating powerful music. Now we have a complete AI toolkit for designing video production and music creation. With this setup, you can create high-quality, engaging content effortlessly. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.